Nabesita onyane amakosa amazulu onyane kanjani ubani ungathenge kumese Nabesita onyane amakosa amazulu onyane kanjani ubani ungathenge kumese Nabesita onyane amakosa amazulu onyane kanjani ubani ungathenge kumese
Asikubingelele baba siphinde sikwamukele sifuna namhlanje sicela ukuze sikhuluma nobani sikuphi namhlanje Ethwele imithetho yawuba
silapha eJabulani sizohlangana sibuke indlela uhulumeni asiphatha ngayo nendlela uhulumeni enza izinto ngayo engasijabulisi.
Zithini ikhalo zenu eninazo namhlanje njengoba sihlangene nje
Ikhalo zethu kuzobonisana ukuthi nangu phela uhulumeni sevikela abokufika evikela bona abokufika ukuthi mabazenzele njengoba uhulumeni esitshele ukuthi kunelokhuzana i-clause ku-constitution yethu ethi unalo ilungelo lelokhuzana le-expression. Manje thina sithe siyazi-expressa nangukhipha u-600 million uthi i-expression yenu ayisebenzi ayibasebenzeli.
Ekuyini i-expression yenu kuhulumeni nje uhulumeni esezekhipha imali engaka
Thina sithi kuhulumeni bonke labantu bokufika ama-illegal immigrant mawabuyele ezweni lakubo umuntu nomuntu akabuyele ekhaya lakubo.
Sithi abahambe lapho eMzansi
Sithi mababuyele ekhaya asibalwisi.
sikhala ngani yini le esihlupha ngabo kangaka njengoba sibakhipha nje
Awubuke mfethu mawungabheka manje kukhona iy'ngane eziye zashona kakhulu enalethi. Sathi sifuna ijustice kulezo y'ngane uhulumeni uke wabapha abazali ijustice ngalokho. Khona manje sikhala ngawo nawamaPakistani athengisa ukudla okubolile. Uma sithi siyalwa ngalokho uhulumeni akavumi. Kanti lethi izwi lona lisebenza makutheni ngabe lisebenza makuyovota malisebenzele izwi lethu ngoba bona bathi ugovernment wabantu ngabantu and bakhuluma ngokuthi abantu phambili yibaphi labo bantu abababeka phambili thina singabahlali base-South Africa singekho phambili.
lapha baba sikhuluma ngabantu abangabokufika bonke noma mhlawumbe siyahlonisa ukuthi sihamba obani kusale baphi
buka lapha sithi ama-illegal immigrants mawabuyele ezweni lapha wonke umuntu unendawo lasuka khona alikho i-immigrant elivele lazalwa e-South Africa
kunjani
sithi bonke laba bantu mababuyele emazweni wabo bahambe bayolungisa amaphepha futhi nakho akekho umuntu oke wathi kuma-illegal immigrant kulaba bathi bona balegal wasikhombisa ukuthi balegal kanjani ngoba abanye bathi balegal nje baphethe ama-passport noma-permit amavisa wabo athi bayavakasha kodwa basavakashile sebehleli amanye amavisa wabo athi bazofunda kodwa sazi la bafunda khona ngabe ufunda esiphasi
inonile inkulumo yakho babinone kakhulu so laba ba-illegal bangabe sebahambile sababuye noma abahambe nabo beyolungisa inkinga zabo emakhaya njengoba nathi siney'nkinga zethu la
izwe likaMthaniya izwe lethu sonke ofunayo ukungena kangene ngendlela efanele ofunayo ukungena kangene asitshele ukuthi uzokwenzani mangabe uzovakasha maliqedile hamba uye phela kini ngoba yonke intsha lentsha inomgodi wayo sonke sisho kanjalo asilwisi muntu wonke umuntu unalo ilungelo lokufika eMzansi sonke siyahwebelana masithi masihwebelana sihwebelane ngendlela efanele
kunjalo mhlonishwa no siyabonga kufakele mhlonishwa sibonga kakhulu
makahlangana uZulu hlangana Soweto malibuye izwe kade besiqambela amanga besikhohlisa malibuye izwe
What's your brief message to the citizens that are interested at home, but they don't know how to join and they don't know how to support the march?
So that's why our marches are not faceless. We put in our phone numbers every time we have these marches, so that people know where to find us and how to follow us. It's time for us South Africans to unite against this one issue. We've been asking the government to declare the state of emergency when it comes to the issue of immigration. But because they are arrogant, they don't listen to their own citizens. They have long left, they're no longer with us. They are some, I don't know, maybe, the crisis is going on. So, citizens must unite. Let us all come and support these marches, because these marches use us fighting pressure, so that we can movement. But not the way they must make sure they strengthen those borders. They must support all illegal foreigners. And then we start talking about the ones claiming to be legal, because there's a lot of bogus affairs as you call it. Look at employment rate is high. In the second, I think from the whole world, it's number 2. It cannot be correct. Maramaya kuma company, 7 foreign. E-pass are shop are owned by foreigners. Businesses, small businesses, foreigners. If people want to come into business, they must invest a minimum of 5 million. Or maybe it's all food that they must have proper study visas. There's a lot of fraud in Zagala when it comes to this country. And you can't do good about the Basuge, jump in 9 countries, Bazolenda if they're seeking asylum. Guys, naturally we don't have a budget, there's okay to the whole continent. Naturally we have limited resources, and that's the reason why we are saying people must go back to their country. I can't run away from this country, because this is my only home. And I'm here, and I'm not going to run away from my issues. I'm going to fight my government, I'm going to fight anybody that's acting illegal in my country until they go back home. But people must support us. People must come out. That's all that we are asking.
Thank you. Thank you, Zandile. Afraid to see you now everybody. Let's make Zandile.
Asikubingelele mama masesikwamukela sicela ukuthi sikhuluma nobani Scoville.
Ukhuluma nosebenzile ngokamthethezi ngokushado wamazinga.
Mashe.
Namhlanje sisasowethi i-date zika-June i-March March. I-March March yokuthi sizamkhumbuza izwe lethu. Kahle kahle izwe lethu lonakele ngendlela yokuthi abaphezulu abasiphethe ama-president bethu ngokwasiza lesikhalaza ukuthi sesizule sesikhathele abantu bokufika kumanje njengoba sikhuluma manje ebhoda bayasingenela bakhipha 200 rand ukungena la so umuntu oyi-1 makazi wasemalawo Zimbabwe Nigeria makasuka lapha thola ngimfaza kumntanakhe beyongena untole so sihlukumezekile angeke wena uqhubeke wena angeke usuke lana uye-Pakistan uyothenga amatamati angeke uye eZimbabwe uyothenga uyoqhina abantu sokuthetha sinabantu abaqhinayo la kuleli zwe lethu
Awu madoda ngiphethe insizwe endala lana ngiphethe insizwe endala madoda into ekade ihlabana baba asikubingelele sikwamukele
Nkosana kaMkhulu.
hey kade wawuzilwa izimpi uhlabana unqoba udliwa namhlanje ukwenye futhi uyalwa nala siyakubona ukuthi hey awuyibekile phansi sibona ikhawe iningane ezahlukene sicela ukuthi size sikhuluma nobani obuya kuphi usitshele baba namhlanje lempilo namhlanje eyani
Ngikhahla mina lakwaGugu
baba
ekuzalwe Mbumbulu.
baba
Ngumuntu ke sowakhetha umdala. Ke ngithi mengixoxa nensizwa ngithi in the days of these kings shall God set up his own kingdom which shall never be destroyed. This kingdom will never be left in the hands of the other people, but it shall break in pieces and consume all these existing kingdoms. This is the kingdom. Today we are talking about God, what God can do to a man. When we look at this young man, he's a creation of God. The God sent to come and deliver the people of God. Like Moshe, when he was sent to come and deliver the children of Israel from the hands of the Gentiles, who were the Egyptians at that time. Today, we are having the new Moshe Pagela, who's taking care of the same business. The same business of the Almighty God is done today. Today, the leaders, the political leaders, they never thought it will be like this. For a change, our people are going to be free. For the change, we said, Viva the Almighty, Viva! Viva, God of our forefathers, Viva! We are seeking the change. We are going to have the change. The change is going to take place. Hallelujah! Amen. Yahai! Yahai, when we said Yahai in Hebrew, we said God lead. Nkosana kaMkhulu.
ngikuzokhuluma ilimi ngithi ngicela ukuzwa mkhulu ukuthi lento usubaphi nayo
ngumeHebheru wakwa-Israyeli ozalwe esizweni esikaGuni njengoba nizibiza amaGuni nje niyibona soxoxa ngelinye ilanga sokonakele Nkosana kaMkhulu.
Cela induna zonke zize la. Ayithunywa kanjena induku amadoda ey'nsizweni induku ayithunywa kanje cela niyeke imiqondo yepolitiki nize nezinto zobunsizwa induku indoda iphatha kanje ngoba njengoba niphuma induku nje khona umuntu osuka entombini yakhe obelele nentombi yakhe wena usuzothatha leso sisindo leso ayikhulu indodingo ngiyiphatha kanje wena awuhlethe izinsiza lezi hlethe zelapha
Shehlani
uyabona laba bantu laba esibaphethe laba abalithethe icala abantu abathethe icala yiningi badala ngabanewethu iningi lethu kimi nibadala ngabanewethu kodwa ngokomsebenzi ke lwesisebenzayo nginesikhundla esithe xaxa ngaphezulu kweseyini asikwazi ukubanga iviyo uyabona nje ubona insizwa engafuni ukulalela ilento yokuthi induna zona size emakhamereni la azizile emsebenzini ngongcolele ethi igama angikwazi ukuba ingcenye yento bobaba bami angikwazi ukuba ingcenye yento engenayo inhlonipho lesikhathi ngenza lento isungulwe yimi lento yensizwa bekumasha abantu besifazane asungula lento yensizwa asiyibambe kahle insizwa siyibambe umqondo wethu bela kuze kuphela ngiyacela mina benkosi ngoba angikwazi ukuthi ngithi ngibheke insizwa kuphinde ngibheke lento ukuthi yona futhi ngimenyiwe mina la ngizosiza uyabona nje laba abantu ngibakhiphanga lapha bese sibheke isinyoka bese sibheke inkinga ngempela ufuna ufunde mawinduna kanje ukuthi umubona ukuthi akusezwa kani makhulu thatha insizwa futhi induna nenduna la isikhathi sikhona ngabe ngithi ayithatha iviola yimi naleceleni thatha iviola yimi naleceleni ngoba sizokhushwa ngabantu la abaphethwe izinduna ezesaba abantu ezibaphethe ingakho-ke kuzofanele ukuthi ngoba sekukhona ukuthi ngizocela ninginikeze laba bantu ngibahole mina ngoba bazolalela sebejwayele ukuthi mina ngibahola kanjani singabangi ukuba lapha phambili singabangi ukubiza ingoma lapha phambili ngenani eviyweni ngoba seningipruvelile lapha ukuthi abantu bane sengiyesaba-ke kubela nalento ngoba izosilimaza igama lami kanti thina sibheke kuhulumeni asibhekile konini asikho isikole kufuneka sibulawe asikho isikole kufuneka sibulawe kufuneka bulawe ayikho indawo kufuneka uyothatha iy'mpahla zakhona akekho umfakisha
Sengizothola ufisho omkhulu madoda induna yensizwa kunini sifuna nasesatholana hawu baba sikubingelele sikwamkele ulapha kuyibantu sidlwane ebokelwa umhlaba wonke jikelele namhlanje siyabona sihlangene inkulu indaba ake ngineze ukuthi sathinto zakho khona sathinto zakho
ngisho phela maseniqala asikaqani
sinenduna lana induna yensizwa ihostel izosithatha ubani ubuya kuliphi ihostela namhlanje sikuphi njoba silana senza lithini igama esize nalo namhlanje Hlonishwa uyichaze nje sizokwazi ngoba namhlanje uzobukwa ezinye insizwa
angibingele ngibona isizwe sonke sengonyama sikhuleka amakhosi nonke amakhosi isilo somhlabathi zonke izilo ekhona eNingizimu Afrika igama ngisethemba kwaMpanyana Sibongo enkosini kwaBiyelo ubuka eMenmont abantu bakusempangeni inkantolo yami eMenmont enkosini kwaBiyelo ubuka Mpanyana Sibongo ngisemraf hostel Soweto angiyoti induna ephethe hostel ikhona induna ubaba uMdletshe ephethe hostel nanginduna yensizwa abantu bathi ubhekeni silapha nje ukubona nje ukuthi sihlangane singama-Afrika sonke sihlangana ama-Afrika la hayi umZulu hayi umXhosa lapho kuhlangene wonke umuntu okhona eNingizimu Afrika South Africa yonke sihlanganele izwe elilodwa lokuthi icontinent yase-Afrika yakithi abafundi abantu base-Afrika bonke kodwa indlela okusenza ngayo manje akuseyikho aqale sisho ukuthi umthethosisekelo wethu wonakala u-implementwa singekho ngokuthi sibachazela abafundi bethu sibakudala 1994 siqala thina ukungena uhulumeni ontando yeningi kunento abathi iSouth Africa yawonke umuntu ohlala kuyo futhi manje sibuswa iRoman Dutch law umthetho ngisiwo wethu iSouth Africa yawonke umuntu ohlala kuyo kanjani umbuzo wami uthi so stretcha kanjani ilizwe lethu lifuleke for wonke umuntu na izwe limile ayikwazi ukufuleka bonke abantu number 1 uma sithi Africa siyazi nabafundi boZambia nabafundi boMalawi abakithi Mozambique yakithi bonke kukhona into ofuna sizwe abafundi base-Afrika bonke mabela eSouth Africa basekhaya kodwa beze ngendlela bebe namaphepha amadokumenti abavumelayo lokho ngokuzosebenza ukuthi balethe iskills bazokwenza ngithi bakha amafemu baqashe abantu base-South Africa more than 100 olokuya phezulu uzokwazi ukuthi ba-invest la eSouth Africa ukukhuphuka umnotho wethu okokuqala lokho bephethe more than 5 million bezo-invest okokuqala 2 umuntu ovakashile-ke visit kathi mina bengiseswaziland khona manje eNakuzaneni eSwatini ngangiqalela isikhathi ukuthi ngiyohlala 7 days mangiqeda ngiyabuya i-passport nevisa ichazela ukuthi period of 2 months uyaqeda ukuyela kimi oqala lokho masivakashela ku-right manje bukana sikhuluma ngeqiniso nje bemsulwa so thina abafosansi asishayi umuntu asikho racism asenzi lutho sithi abafowethu abapaki impahla zabo babuyele emazweni akuba abakithi Afrika bahlala balungisa into zabo nathi ke sizibeke siyizwe sikwazi ukuyihlela kahle sikwazi ukuyithunthutha amazeze ezweni lethu nathi ebese ke kuvalwa imingcele amabhoda ethu ngoba yavisa ebese mabebuya abafowethu ababuye kahle benama-passport ne-permit ezizosebenza uzokwenzani for how long laba bantu abafowethu base-Afrika base-South Africa ba-more than 13 million thina singaki yabona ingqalasizinda ayisazivumeli i-infrastructure yethu ayisavumi kuyadevelopha ngapha nathi angixwayise-ke bafowethu nathi singama-South Africans sathola izindlu ze-RDP nathi sizigebengu funa ababoshwe labo bantu thina siboshwe nathi sithola izindlu ze-RDP kwi-government sihambe siyohlala samuweni siqashele abantu bangaphandle babhadale barete lezindlu zethu thina sana asilunako but ithi into uhulumeni wethu akakwazi ukumonitha amabhoda abahambe bonke abafowethu base-Afrika ayikaba sibaxoshi bazobuya uma bebuya sengigcina 1 uma bebuya we want to know how many abase-Malawi bangadluli ku-50 beze ngama-passport permit abazosebenza but limit each country in Africa sithi mhlawumbe 25 la 50 ngale wonke icontinent yase-Afrika ayikho into engalimiti wonke umuntu uyangena nje ungangena million asakwazi ukuhamba kunemkhukhu endleleni asakwazi ukungena esibhedlela sinalutho please South African asilwi we are one in Africa because we know our history we from Northern Africa we move until Zaire now is DRC before DRC or DR Congo was Zaire. Yeah, all along we come there in South Africa. We live with everyone here. We can't fight, no racism, no nothing. Our brothers from Africa just say, go back, and then sort out your document, and you come back in the good way. Please.
Government allocate imali ngo-600 million ukuthi abhekane ne-situation ezobe imayilana nale march njengoba kumhla ka-30 kune-national march njena. Baba njengomuntu oyingxenye abahleli bemarch uyasibona nesidingo semali engake ekhishiwe ukuthi kuze kulungiswe i-security noma kuqiniswe i-security ngale mali engake ngo-600,000 out of everything iluzana abantu basemzansi bekhala ngazo kuthiwa imali azikho umzansi awunayo imali.
One sinubona le 600 million zokwenzana siyaqeda namhlanje sisend i-message bakithi umholi insizwa umfowethu uphakela umthakathi undabandaba benongize nomama uJessica Mangobese angithi nabo bonke nimasheni manje bayibeka kahle idate lana umhla ka-30 June ukuthi bese abafowethu sebehambile akushongo ukuthi kuzoba nemashi akushongo kuzoshawa abantu nina nikijima i-government allocate le 600 million. Let me say before la South Africa besi 68 million abantu base South Africa siyonke 68 million. Now maybe just roughly maybe 69 or 70, not more than 71 or 7, million as a South Africa. This 600 million, if you give the 600, if you give 1 million, umuntu one, kuba sinikwe yona, angithi si 69 million or more. Kuba 1 million give umuntu wase South Africa. 1 million give bizosala 600 million basiphe yona because they allocate there for nothing. Nothing's going to happen tomorrow. My question, after tomorrow i-auditor yethu bafuna ba-audit le mali bazothi yenzeni because amaphoyisa bevele khona aqashiwa khona vele asebenza ama-helicopter amaphoyisa vele khona before i-30 June was there amaphoyisa security was there. So now this 600 million for what? Niyazi yini kwenzeka lokho asali uhulumeni siyamthanda uhulumeni wethu simvotele siyamthanda but ke abathatha amakhosi boyabuza neparlament bethi nina amakhosi wonke amakhosi South Africa izizwe zonke bawalethe eparlament amakhosi singabusa kanjani ilizwe lenu ngoba abantu abamakhosi the political just abapolitics funa bayocela abantu emakhosini ukubanjiswana bona bayenza nje ngabe balanda inkosi eyiphethe abantu amakhosi ekuhlaleni lapho kuhlala khona amakhosi bathatha imandate from amakhosi ngabe benza into right. Umbuzo uthi uhulumeni wethu siyamthanda wethu uhulumeni sihlala nawo wethu uhulumeni eSouth Africa but wenza izinto awubuzi kithi angithi I understand le 600 million kuba siphe 1 million sonke South Africa bizosala 600 million phela sibe right nathi yabo sifuna amabhizinisi wethu. 2 abafowethu bangaphandle ama-foreigners ba-right abase-Afrika bakithi but umthetho abawuvumeli bovula amasiphaze lokushini ehlala khona ezethu iphaze ezethu bona kufuna ba-investe more than 5 million bakifemu ikhaphani kuphi etown beqasha aba-South Africans more than 100 ba-investe kukhuphuke economic umnotho wethu manje babuya laba abafowethu balamasenzo nangaphandle bazoqashana bodwa. How come ukuzo-invest eSouth Africa kwenza ibhizinisi ulanda umndeni wakho more than 30 family yakho kusebenza wona sosebenza buthini sobuya manje hey kanjani kanjani bafowethu asidi unamuntu uhulumeni wethu manje akabuze kithi mandate akasibizi uhulumeni sobunika imandate thina hayi ngoba siphansi imvotelo sizithutha sihlakaniphe kakhulu manje aba-engage nathi bayenze nje asikhulumi kabi uhulumeni wethu ukhuluma nathi singabakho futhi singaba amakhosi thina ngokuhlukana. Yes. Hayi amaZulu ayamaXhosa ayamandebele siphelela khona Mtsonga Mtswana Mvenda Mndebele khona Mzulu khona Mxhosa sihlangene into eSouth Africa le ilizwe lonke ngathi bengaba against ination eyodwa no angazi ngizwa kahle
hayi kezwakala mhlonishwa
sinxusa uhulumeni wethu sisho kahle ayikabi akakhulume nathi simuphi mandate ufuna nisebenze kanjani ngoba kusazi uzohlekwa ilizwe lonke khona manje abelekha ama-clinic abogogo bayanakhuza bayagula amadolo angithi yabona ngabe baletha ama-clinic duzane nabantu abahlala khona abogogo baqasha abantwana okugcina ngifuna ukuthi okugcina le mali ye-600 million ngabe kuqashwa abantwana bethu elokishini bafundile babuye emavasithi beze letha bathi i-base home care behambe logogo emakhaya endlini kubhadalwe bona labantwana ngale mali babheka ugogo uphuzile namaphilisi ngabe kuqashwa abantwana bakithi basebenze intsha yakithi ayisebenzi kuqashwe more amaphoyisa any security class kugadwe singadutshulwa bokudutshula abantu kangaka ngabe siqashwe ngcono kulesi salo besingagadwa sinjo silele ngalesi kusenolusi
kuba into permanent not for one day
into permanent iningi 600 million
too much
ningabi
Igama lami nguJiyane bangibiza umqondisi ke einkundleni lezi engisebenza ngazo ngisebenza ngabatwana into engenza ukuthi ngibe la kuyimashi kudala ngizama indaba yokulwisana nezinkinga ngibona abatwana bethu belinyazwa ama drugs ngaze ngasukuma ngangenelele ezikolweni ngisiza abatwana so manje ngibona ke manje abantu base South Africa sebeyibona lento sesibona ngasolinye ukuthi sinenkinga vele ngoba abatwana bethu shuthi mabe sibulalela abatwana sinakusasa ngoba abatwana bayikusasa lethu manje mangabe singena abatwana sebeqede bona shuthi baqedile ngeSouth Africa so manje ingakho sihlanganyela sibona ukuthi singanqoba kanjani ukunqoba kwethu ke ukuthi sihlanganeni ingakho ke sihlangana kulama march and march mina nje ngisuke ethembisa ngibona ngisuke ethembisa ngisesowethu ngizolwela izingane zethu ikusasa labatwana bethu ngoba vele thina bayobuza ngelinye ilanga abatwana bethu ukuthi babe kuphi abazali bethu abantu bethathizwe ngoba liyathengiswa ngendlela engibona ngakhona ilokho nje okwenza ukuthi sihlasele kangaka siphakama umhlaba wonke silwele lento yokuthi abahamba bokuhamba basala abala ekhaya
namhlanje umhla ka-29 sibheke kunqamlajuqu wosuku oselukusasa lapho khona kuyi-deadline yokuthi ngempela uma ngokufika lapho eSouth Africa ngokungemthetho kakhulukazi ube usuhambile ama-matches lawa asenesikhathi asenenyanga eqalile ekhona ngicela ukubuza ukuthi ngabe imphumela uyayibona yini baba yokuthi nje hayi umehluko unakho njengoba namhlanje kuyi-last day before a deadline
ngathi nje kukhona umnyakazo esiubonayo nethi mncane umnyakazo esiubonayo ngoba zonke izinto ezizenzayo asenzi ngempi ngoba abantu isikhathi esiningi babuye bekholwe ngokuthintwa kodwa ke inhloso yethu ayikho lapho sifuna nje ukutshengisa ukuthi siyakhuluma kufanele kuzwakale uhulumeni wethu asukume ngoba kunje uyoyekelele ukuba nazanga wayekelela ngempela ngaba yikho yonke lento kodwa ke siyabona ukuthi mangabe kuqhubeka kulokhu kuma kanje sizogcina siyiphushela thina siyithintela thina ngezandla ukubafudula ukuthi abahambe
ungathini ngosuku ngomhla ka-30 ukuphepha kubantu njena abalapha eMzansi mhlawumbe abanamabhizinisi kuzoba abantu nje bangaphandle ngokuphepha kwey'mpilo zabo ukuthi ungathini mhlawumbe uma uphawula kulokho njengoba nohulumeni allocate imali engango-600 million ukuthi uzoqinisekisa ukuphepha ngoba kuney'nsolo ezithi le match lena izothagetha abantu abathile kuzoba khona destroyer kuzoba khona lapha nalapha ukulutha ukulimaza nokushaya
asibhekanga ukuthi khona kube khona umuntu olimalayo asifisi futhi kanjalo kodwa ke ngendlela okubonakala ngakhona kusho ukuthi uhulumeni the way yenza ngakhona ufuna ukutesta upoison ngolimi ngoba kufanele ngabe yena unomnyakazo ongcono kakhulu njengokuye ophethe izwe lonke ngoba phela namhlanje kuyilanga lokugcina kusasa izi30 okwakukhulunywe ngazo kodwa kubonakala ngathi abantu bayigehlile nje sibe singabadingi okwangempela kusasa angeke ngisho okuningi ukuthi kuyokwenzakalani kodwa ngempela sifuna ukukulwela ukuthi sibabone benyakaza behamba
kusho ukuthi mangabe uthi nge-30 awuphawula kakhulu ngomhla ka-30 ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani singasho ukuthi nifihle induku emqubeni kobonakala khona
impela uhambo loyilawula ngendlela okwenzakala ngakhona ngathi nje mina uhambo loyilawula ngendlela okwenzakala ngakhona ngoba akufunakanga ngempela ukuthi size kufike la silwa khona kanti besikhuluma kahle onke amamashedi lokusawaqala akaze kuthinteke umuntu kodwa mangabe uhulumeni usho ukuthi udela ngokubona asazi ngempela mangabe efuna ukuzenza uPilate afuna ukudela ngokubona ngempela nje sibona ngathi utesta upoison ngolimi
No, siyabonga mhlonishwa isikhathi sakho. No, siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi sinikeze owakho umbono.
Bayede ngiyabonga.
Ngibingelele induna zonke zamakhosi. Ngibingelele abezokuphepha bonke kusuka phansi naphezulu. Ngibingelele ukubumbana kweSoweto. Ngibingelele amabutho onke. Onibingelelayo ke usehluko wakwaDladla. Ngokuphuma ke ngiphuma khona lana nje eMsinga, inkosi enyakhele uMthembu, inkosi uMthembu Ngoza. Ngilapha ke ukuzomela induna neSoweto ubumbano ukwemukela yonke iSoweto ethe yabamba iqhaza namhlanje. Siyakubonga ukubumbana kwenu Soweto, sibumbana ngokuhlupheka. Silapha ukuzokusho izwe lodwa. Angiqale ngakho ukusho ukuthi phambili ngeSoweto phambili. Phambili ngeSoweto phambili. Phambili ngobumbano leSoweto phambili. Phansi ngemkhulukude sibulale izwe phansi. Phansi ngemkhulukude sibulale izwe phansi. Phambili Soweto phambili. Siyabonga ke wonke umnikelo umuntu akathe wanikela ngokuthi kuzo zonke ingxakanxaka ezikhona lapha ukuba lolu suku namhlanje lube impumelelo. Omunye uzobuza ukuthi lungani. Cha njengenduna mina ngizothi qaphu, kodwa bakhona baphethe ke okubhaliwe njengohlu olunohlu lwethu. Silapha ke nje ke ukuzozwakalisa ukungenemi kwethu ngokuba khona kwabantu bakufika kweli laseNingizimu Afrika bengenampepha mvumo. Ngakho ke silapho kuzoncedisa yena uhulumeni ngoba siyambona ukuthi sengathithi uhudula inyawo ngoba zikhona izinto eziphathekayo esho ukuthi bakhona kuleli izwe abangenampepha mvumo. Ebese ke siqikelela ukuthi kukhulunywa ngegama elidip lapha elithi illegal immigration. Kusho ukuthi waqala wathi illegal, there is illegality. Manje ke akufanele ukuthi umsebenzi omuhle kangaka wenziwa ama-South Africans bese befuna ukugqiba, befuna ukuthi asiliveze igama elithi undocumented. Siqala lapho sithi undocumented bese befuneke bona ukusenzela okunye besisholo okunye. Hayi ke asifuni ukusho ukuthi mhlaba kwahamba bona mhlambe kobe siqedile yini ngobelelezi noma ngeenkinga esinazo. Sithi njengoba iNingizimu Afrika isenenkinga kusaphithiyene ekhanda idizi. Ngakho ke siyazama ukuxozulula inkinga. Mazosolve inkinga awuthathi kanye siyaxozulula. Kuseyokuqala lenkinga esithi ayikhona abangenamaphepha akabethi igudlu ngoba basinika inkinga ziyareshwa ingane zethu leshiwe lapha eOrlando uze wagwetshwa wakhona kodwa ukufika wayengenamaphepha. Ngakho ke siyaqala siyaxozulula. Kodwa ke ngishawa uvalo mangibona umengameli noma ngibona uhulumeni wethu ememezela ukuthi unemali engango 600 million akalungiselela ngayo usuku lwakusasa. Sebeyazi ukuthi kusasa kuzokwenzakalani. Sebeyazi ukuthi kusasa kuzokwenzakalani. Kusho ukuthi 600 million versat assumption. Uma ngabe kusenzekile utho what will happen ngaleyo mali? Ngoba le mali ngabe iyathathwa le mali iyoxhasa kumabhoda kuthiwa kwenele ukuqashela kumabhoda. Sibuka ngathi bengayisebenzisa kangcono eqashile kumabhoda. Ngakho ke amaSoweto amahle angisuka mude kakhulu. Niyazi ukuthi iSoweto is the heart of city of Johannesburg and Johannesburg is the heart of Gauteng and Gauteng is the heart of this country. So kusho ukuthi mangabe sekuqalile sekunyakaza iSoweto kukhona la kuzokuya khona. Ngiyazibona ingane zethu zithanda kanjani lezi. Nyakaza Soweto nyakaza. Nyakaza Soweto nyakaza. Ngiyathokoza ngibonile abantwana besikole basijoyinile. Uyazi labantu bakufika bangenamaphepha mabebona ingane zethu. This is their targeted group for their economy. Ukuthi kukhula imali kibo bayikhulisa ngengane zethu zentsha abazibulala ngomlutha wamakhokheni yonke into abangenazi impepha mvume zokufika lapha. Ngakho phambili Soweto phambili. Phambili Soweto phambili. Yabonga. Amandla lokhulumayo Inokundlovu from Orlando East. I'm a community leader from Orlando East. Ngizofunda memorandum ikhalo zethu. Soweto revolution mabahambe. Memorandum of demand to the South African Police Services and related department. To Station Commander, Ingwati Director to Station Commander, participate in charge of what is boss, Station Commander, Deputy Provincial Commissioner. We also yamukela memorandum ukhona la uzozazisa na masesiqedile ukufunda memorandum. Memorandum etifundeka kanje. We community of Great Soweto at large are gathered here today to present a memorandum of demand in relation to the question of illegally foreign immigrants in our community, conducting illegally operation, committing various crime activities that are difficult to trace and identify due to the mask identity because of identify and recognize. We have therefore noticed that the following unbecome behavior from the SAPS and the JMPD particular. Number 1, corruption conducted by the certain official in the enforcement the municipality bylaws. 2, leadership despondent in the stepping authority in our township. 3, illegally foreign nationals business operating without due diligence and compliance to the rules and regulations of the Republic of South Africa. 4, lack of public engagement with the authority, particularly the SAPS and the JMPD, in addressing community concern. Our safety officially are either complete of the serious lack the willing and the professional knowledge in the carrying out their responsibility. Our laws enforcement agency are quick to legally small-scale businesses operation owned by genuine South African citizens. We as the Great Soweto community believe that the enforcement of the Constitution believe that the enforcement of the Constitution can easily cross-cut challenges in our community, as it is responsibility of the SAPS and the JMPD to enforce those requirements and as demand and prescribed by the law. The business development space in our community should be protected and so reserved for our people. We should together form a business development forum that should be patronized by SAPS and JMPD, ensuring compliance. We therefore resolve the demand following because of the lack intervention over a period of a year, which have created unnecessary tension and with illegally foreign nationals in Soweto community at large, and quite significant in the spirit of the letter delivered by the state president to the nation on the 7th of June 2026. The SAPS and the JMPD act swiftly in removing all the illegally immigrants in our community. Close all businesses operate illegal foreigners national in our community. Thus, therefore, we swift and speedy clean-up operation of illegally foreigners and nationally operating as hawkers and vendors. That the SAPS and the JMPD, together with the Department of Home Affairs and Immigration Officer in conducting those operations. We call upon the SAPS and JMPD ensure there is no looting and no violence meter against the illegal foreigners national during the period of high intention in our communities. That's all corrupt officials who are collecting bribes from businesses operate by illegal foreigners nationals, investigators and are arrested and prosecuted. Arrest and permanently stock out criminally selling drugs to our kids, which has turned into zombie. We want a category state that clearly that this action taken by the community is not in any sense influenced by any hatred, xenophobic or Afrophobic as the prophet of the doom, and this man have labeled the
just and legal cost of our people towards the blatant disregard of our constitution law. The business regulation govern the conduct of the foreign national. We further assert that there shall be no amount of violence, looting and criminality during the period of ensuring that illegal foreigners national vacate our communities and towns. However, we are expected at times and professional response and intervention to all those demands before the 30th of June 2026. Ifundeke kanjalo memorandum, so sizonikezela asayinele yona u-Deputy Provincial Commissioner nami njengoba ngihenda yini nami kuzomela ukuthi ngiyisayine sinikeze yena, sizonikeza yena ukuthi azokhuluma athembise umphakathi ukuthi bazoresponda nini kule ikhalo zethu and sizocala nini ukubona ama-legal foreigners lawa athengisa kuma-business aqale aboshwa abuyisele emakhaya.
Angeke baphunguke sebekhulumile lapho kuzoba nespace bafowethu. Sebekhulumile badedele Shoni la nkom fase. Andila mama yako na wapo. Siyaxolisa usasayina ukuthi useyitholile lapho sicela sibekezele kancane usasayina nje ukuthi useyitholile. Imida melibone makasayina, imida melibone makasayina. Nalebuha papa. Dia rona. Sanibonani. Ninjani? All right. Lo khulumayo Major General Fred Tekane, Deputy Provincial Commissioner wamaphoyisa la eGauteng. Ngihamba no District Commissioner lo uphethe Johannesburg District, Major General Nhlanhla Kubeka. Futhi duzo kwakhe Station Commander wase Midlands uBrigadier Munegi. Sutholilo memorandum siyabonga. Sizobheka zonke ikhalazo nemfiso lezibhalwe la. Then zoxhumana nabaphathi benu. Ngeke kube namhlanje ngoba khona sizofunda sihleli officeini sibone ukuthi kufunekani kuphi ubani ayenzeni ngoba la kubalo home affairs, kubalo small business, kubalo JMPD ne Johannesburg Metro Council. Therefore zonke lezi zinto sibhalwe la sifuna noma ubani fanele sihlale sonke sibone ukuthi ubani uresponsible ufala enzeni sihlangene njenge abantu behulumeni laba sebenzela umphakathi as public servants, then at the right time zoxhumana nabaphathi benu or abaphathi balombutho uhlanganela sibonge ukuthi sebenzisane kahle suka le eJabulani Amphitheatre kufika la sicela masibuyele emuva sisiphathe kahle kanjalo andisibonge ukuthi nikwazile ukuthi nihlangane niveze idingo zenu njengabantu baseSoweto na wonke umuntu nalabo abuya Msinga njengomfowethu siyabonga kodwa masibuyele emuva the way size ngalendlela size ngayo nempatho lesize ngayo asibonge ukuthi siqhubeke kanjalo siyabonga. Kancane sizwe sesiyakhuleka ke manje sizweni siyakhuleka sewisikhathi lapho sicela khona ubaba undabandaba siyazi ukuthi Benihlale nimbuka komabonakude. Nizwa ngendaba. Namhlanje nizomuzwa bukhoma. Nizobe there will be no technological device phakathi kwenu naye. Nizobe nimbona bukhoma. Siyacela ubaba uNdabandaba sinikane ithuba agibele asondele ngaphambili. Insizwa-ke zizomsukumisa insizwa. Induna zomsukumisa induna. Ziyazi kufanele senze njani. Insizwa azithuli kanje. Induna azithuli base sibiza ubaba uNdabandaba. Bayasho-ke bathi-ke kune-interview akasayenza ngapha ngemumva. Kusho ukuthi iy'nduna zingabe zisho nje zithe phansi, zisho nje ingoma ekahle ngoba sesibiza igama likababa uNdabandaba.